The 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe SUV concept emerges from the shadows in a striking onyx black gloss finish that captures light like liquid obsidian. This futuristic luxury SUV blends aggressive styling, smart technology, and an uncompromising presence, making it a force to be reckoned with on every road. Up front, the Santa Fe boasts a bold, hexagonal grille wrapped in gleaming black chrome, accented by an illuminated Hyundai logo that seems to float within a digital matrix. The headlights are narrow, angular laser beams with sharp blue LED edges, slicing through darkness like twin blades. Below, aggressive air intakes channel airflow dynamically, framed by carbon fiber accents. The sculpted hood flows into muscular fenders, while the glossy black paint reflects the surroundings with a mirror-like clarity, creating an almost camouflage effect. The side profile reveals aerodynamic lines that sweep back elegantly, punctuated by flush door handles and sleek, digital side mirrors projecting live views to the interior. At the rear, the Santa Fe showcases a full-width light bar glowing bright red, integrating smoothly with a carbon fiber diffuser and twin exhaust outlets, hinting at its high-performance electric drivetrain. The Hyundai badge shines subtly in white beneath the tinted rear window. Inside, the cabin envelopes passengers in a high-tech sanctuary. Black vegan leather upholstery is detailed with contrast stitching and carbon fiber trim, highlighted by customizable ambient lighting that shifts to suit mood or driving mode. The cockpit features a fully digital curved display spanning the driver's field of vision, complemented by a holographic center console and touch-sensitive controls embedded in the floating dash. Under the hood, the Santa Fe houses a next-gen dual-motor electric system with transparent protective covers revealing glowing blue energy conduits. This setup delivers instant torque, whisper-quiet acceleration, and regenerative braking optimized by AI for seamless efficiency. The 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe in onyx black gloss is more than an SUV, it's a statement of power, precision, and futuristic luxury built for drivers who demand the extraordinary.